Gaming is a total waste of time. Stop playing those dumb games. Go hit the books. Games won't pay the bills.
If you are a parent, you might be always screaming, stop playing games, stop playing games, hit the books. Games won't pay your bills. Sometimes it does. Gaming is a total waste of time. Stop playing those dumb games. Go hit the books. Games won't pay your bills.
Yeah, that's what every ordinary parent said.
Sounds super smart, right? But it might be totally wrong. The next billionaire, they're probably yelling at the screens right now. Please come all over the keyboard. Monster energy on side. Stick around. Your mind is about to explode. Let me say something that will make a lot of parents uncomfortable. Your child is already being educated by AI and it's doing better job than school. No, I'm not talking about sci-fi robot school. I mean, right now, YouTube knows what your child wants to learn before teacher does. TikTok knows their attention span. Instagram knows their interest. Games, they know their skill level. Schools, they treat every brain same way. Here's the dirty secret nobody wants to say.
It was never designed for humans.
Follow rules, don't ask why. That worked 1920 when jobs were assembly line. But 2026, AI robots do follow-up rules better and cheaper. What's hot now? Creativity, clever planning, rolling with punctures. Schools, training for jobs AI already stole. Games, training for the future takeovers. Forget memorizing boring facts. Games don't care about that. They reward sneaky strategies, outsmarting the boss level, lightning fast choices, dodge that fireball, spotting patterns. Hey, that trap looks familiar. Staying chill when everything exploding. Sounds familiar. Yeah, that's real life.
Like if I play a video game on extreme difficulty, then I have to concentrate fully on the game, and it has a calming effect.
Yeah.
It sort of chills down.
Be required in medical school to play video games. Don't you think?
If somebody's like a top ranked video game player and they say they're a surgeon, I'd be like plus one, plus two type of thing.
Nothing like exams you forget faster than the last week memes. Who needs to remember the capital of Uzbekistan when AI can Google it? AI doesn't ask what grade are you in. It asks what do you like? What do you struggle with? How fast do you learn? What bores you? What excites you? Basic AI, right? Netflix does this all the time with what you watch. Games, they are already personalized learning labs. Most of the world's richest folks were gamers. Elon Musk, gaming as a kid, now rocketed to space.
Generally, you want education to be like as close to a video game as possible, like a good video game. Like, you do not need to tell your kid to play video games. They will play video games on autopilot all day. So if you can make it interactive and engaging, then you can make education far more compelling and far easier to do.
Mark Zuckerberg made games, now own half of the internet. Not because games made them lazy, because games weird their brains like superheroes. Games are cheap failure practice. Business are same, but with more zeros. A gamer dying in Fortnite may be buying a Twitter someday. Mind blowing, right? An AI-based school doesn't need classrooms, it uses data. Facial expressions, confusion detected. Eye movement, attention level. Response speed, understanding. Mistake, weak loop. Games already do this all the time. Skill ceiling, reaction speed, strategy style, frustration tolerance. Instantly adjust difficulty, personalized education. Free, fun, kids love it. Think your brain like a muscle at the gym. Push it, stress it, get stronger. Games push your brain with instant, oops, try again feedback. Levels that get harder, but not too scary. Fun rewards making you yell, one more round. Schools often does wait forever for grades. Fear of messing up. Snooze feast, boardroom. Science says gaming boosts problem solving 40%. Faster reaction, sharper memory. Your kid's controller, secret brain gym equipment. You didn't know that until now, I guess. Uncomfortable truth. Some kids learn more from home gaming than boring lectures. Parents fear losing control, not AI. AI teaches what kids are weird to learn, not what adults think they should. Some won't follow traditional careers, some won't care about grades, some will specialize early. Streaming, esports, AI side hustles, kids are already crushing it. Parents hate it, but the real world rewards winners who game the system. Let's be honest, some kids are studying for jobs that won't exist. AI already writes, design, diagnose, code. So why are schools still teaching memorization? That's denial, not preparation. AI school won't teach subjects, they'll build humans. This kid thinks visually, this one learns through games, this one need movements. One learner's best at night. No homework, no exams, only skill growth track over years. Like a fitness tracker for intelligence. Controversial, yes. In the future, forcing all kids into the same school system may be considered child neglect. We'll know better and choose growth over comfort. I'm not saying school vanish tomorrow. I'm saying the current system cannot survive AI. Just like taxi couldn't survive Uber. Just like stores couldn't survive Amazon. AI is coming for routine jobs. The kids who win, not the memorizers. Quick learners, shapeshifters, idea wizard. Guess where those powers come from? Gamer mode. Next time your kids battling zombies, they might be preparing for a robot-proof career. They might be training for a job that doesn't exist yet. Your little gamer could buy you a yacht someday. Game over equals career win. School teaches kids to pass tests. Game teaches kids to crush life. In a world run by AI, thinking beats memorizing. Parents, this is probably annoying you. Gamers, this probably made you smile. Share it with the friend who nags about screen time.
I'm looking for a new video game to play. Can you give me a recommendation?
Overwatch.
I play Overwatch.
Yeah, it's
Anything
great.
else? The best game I played recently, and it's not a super new game, is The Last of Us.
Oh, is it
It's
really?
from a couple of years ago.
Sure.
I loved it.
Tag a parent or a gamer. Let's spark a debate. Subscribe for more No BS talk on AI. Cash and tomorrow wins. Thumbs up if game rules. See ya on the next level. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Let's debate in the comment.